The global Industry 4.0 trend has not only led to the demand for smart manufacturing, but also to the robust growth of the digital transformation. NexAIoT has been dedicated to this market, to pursuing the leadership in the enterprise's digital transformation for more than a decade. Our triumphant transformation projects across various industrial segments include whole plant electromechanical integration and smart production lines, solar energy and fishery and electricity symbiosis production, AMR in semiconductor, and IoT war room in petrochemical industries. NexAIoT's core competence lies in its diversity of talent pool and the integrated system of cross-industry domains. Our experienced product planning and management and research and development team members come from various fields, including automation, ICT software, and robotic control. We provide customized services for the industrial IoT, robot controller, and functional safety solution. NexAIoT aims to be the leader in Industry 4.0 by embracing open platform belief. We provide a comprehensive integrated solution from an on-premise to the cloud, which helps enterprises to achieve the goals of digital transformation. The eSafe cybersecurity software protects everything from the AMR control units in the production line. It not only defends enterprises against hacker attacks, but also secures the data operation from manufacturer side. The first step in digital transformation is to build IoT automation in manufacturing, including smart manufacturing and machinery. NexAIoT's IRPA 2000 system provides motion control solutions for robots and machines, allowing enterprises to rapidly build unmanned production lines through human-robot collaboration. The IAT 2000 cloud-based automation system provides smart control units such as the InPack controller and I/O system, eSmart human-machine interface, fanless industrial computer NICE series, and industrial wireless communicator. Our system is able to help customers build a complete smart factory production line. In the second phase of integration, NexAIoT provides a complete machine-to-machine solution that integrates world-famous brands in PLC, CNC, and robot control units. IoT Studio and OPC UA software provides one-click-to-cloud feature, which fully complies with open standard design concept and enables simplifying the data collection. NexAIoT's full range of automation products support Intel's Core Series processors and comes with software-defined machine and then extends to software-defined manufacturing. They are perfect in smart factories, smart warehousing, and smart agriculture applications. The third phase of integration aims at the seamless connection of cloud, SCADA, and ERP, MES, and other IT software. NexData is NexAIoT's self-developed software. It is an on-premises data center that enables integration of real-time databases, structured data, and unstructured databases, which can break the traditional information silo architecture, leading to the creation of efficient AI and microservices by cloud application developers. Lastly, NexData delivers an open API that enables developers to build enterprise war rooms and its decision-making applications on well-known public cloud or private cloud. NexData can empower digital service and sales and marketing activities by operating national, boundaryless, and real-time decision. NexAIoT Industry 4.0 consultants and project execution team assist our customers in evolving from the 3.0 stage toward the 4.0 stage digital transformation seamlessly. NexAIoT helps you eliminate troubles from system integration of cross-functional in a digital factory. We collaborate with our clients in order to accomplish their global supply chain and to help them employ smart manufacturing in the ever-changing market. Your best partner for Industry 4.0 smart manufacturing.